A march down Nicollet in downtown Minneapolis on the same street where Alex Pretti was killed just over a week ago. It's one of many ways people are honoring him today. Healthcare workers came together at a vigil, expressing grief and anger, saying Alex was killed senselessly. Our Kevin Coe is there. Kevin, how do people pay their respects?
Well, Derek, the vigil actually just recently wrapped up, but there were about 100 nurses and healthcare professionals all packed inside the Minnesota Orchestra Hall right behind me. There were a lot of tears through many moments of reflection, with so many people inside believing that any of them could have been in Alex Pretti's shoes.
I was angry, upset, because this could have happened to me. I would have done the exact same thing. I'm a nurse. I help people. If I see someone that needs help, I'm going to help them.
Catherine Che was one of about 100 healthcare workers who all felt the same pain, sorrow, and anger at the deadly shooting of Alex Pretti. Krista Reimel, a registered nurse and founder of the We Care nonprofit foundation, organized this vigil for Alex's peers at the Orchestra Hall in downtown Minneapolis.
I was at the Capitol last week with about 75 physician leaders, and they said the moral injury they're feeling right now at this moment is more intense than they felt during the pandemic.
The vigil included moments of reflection, music, and a brief speech by Senator Amy Klobuchar.
Minnesota is once again, after a tough year, at the center of America's heartbreak.
Oof, my heart just sank. Because he's one of our own, and I know the world wants to argue who's right is righter, and I just saw the nurse in him. I don't even care about all the rest, I really don't. I saw his nursing heart.
For some, like 24-year-old James, he came along with his mother, Catherine, because he's felt more anxieties in the later parts of his young life.
It always has to happen in Minnesota, which is always just really sad and really scary. So it was just really impactful to see someone trying to try to help other people and unfortunately lost their lives because of it.
He's young, and this affects everyone. And if there's, injustice for one individual group, it could lead to everybody. So for us to make change, everyone has to speak up, even though it doesn't affect me personally.
Sometimes moments like these feel really long. But what I can tell you as a nurse is life is a really short ride. And I've held a lot of hands at the end of life. We are far more alike than we are different at the end of our life. So if we could actually live that way, wouldn't that be powerful?
Derek, the nonprofit that organized this vigil is the We Care Foundation. Its sole purpose is to look after and take care of healthcare workers. Well, the organization says at the top of its list right now is grieving and processing the loss of Alex Pretti. Derek,
All right, understandable. Thank you, Kevin.